Good morning from Sequoia National Park. We are at Moro Rock Trail, trying to capture the sunrise. I don't know why I'm so winded. I think I walked up maybe 2 flights of stairs. If you're wondering where Nathan is, he wanted to change, so I figured I'd just hop out, start filming while I could. Oh, this is unique. It just keeps going. Let's take a second. Switch arms, getting tired. This is really cool, but it still goes up. You can see the car down there.
This is the tallest staircase in the entire world. It'll be worth it though.
Check this out. Oh my gosh. It keeps going. Oh, are you kidding me? This place is, it's got surprise around every corner. Really did not think this would go up quite this far. The trail said 0.3 of a mile. Well, that 0.3 is technically stairs, not a pathway. More pretty flowers. There's people coming. I feel pressure to move along. Don't have time for these signs. I don't really read them anyways, that's all Nathan. You'd never know it, but it keeps going.
Yeah, see?
What in the world? These people behind me didn't know either. Follow the crowd. Look at that. Really glad I did not sit down that one level. Not that it's going to change the sunrise by any means, but this is really cool. Yeah, this is awesome.
Go to the top of the rock, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
It just kept going.
Just kept going.
You gonna read the signs that I ignored?
On the way down, maybe, so I can take a break. I should have made coffee.
I was hoping you would.
I never would have made it up here with coffee. I would have stopped, enjoyed it. It was good. I got coffee, whatever.
Oh, you know, Nathan never made it. I wonder what he's doing. Gosh, I'm hungry. I want like a big breakfast buffet.
Amber brought sandals, no lens cap, no extra batteries.
Nothing. I was tuck and roll out of the car trying to run up here.
I think she made it up here a minute and a half before me.
Whatever. It was like 10
I
minutes.
used the bathroom. I changed. I put on comfortable shoes. Brought the blanket because I knew it would be cold. The person who got out of the car this morning and thought it was cold didn't think to bring anything else.
He didn't even bring camera. Without me here, you guys wouldn't even be seeing a video. Oh, get that out of here.
I see 3 cameras.
Okay, shush. We've only seen a few different observation lookouts like this for sunrise, but I would say this is the best one so far. It's really unique. All these little kind of crevices and hidden stairways. It's just cool.
Can we not take a flight of stairs for like 2 days? 2 days, so much.
I'm gonna take a picture. What do you think it looks like though?
Not Game of Thrones. I don't know. Something from Game of Thrones. Not the one with the swords,
Daenerys' one?
but the one made out of rock or whatever.
Yeah.
It's fit for a king. All right, let's go.
It's freezing.
This mountain range holds the tallest mountain in all of North America. Mount Whitney. We will not be climbing that. You need permits and it's dangerous. It's a whole ordeal.
Woohoo! I think this is our last stair. Oh no! There's one more. There's one more. Oh shoot, forget it. There's several more. On Thursday mornings in Sequoia National Park, doesn't seem like this is a happening spot for sunrise. Alright, let's take this last stair together. Yeah! Next stop, General Sherman. That's crazy!
These giant trees are named for the 8 members of the Parker family. Captain James Parker, Troop 8, 4th Cavalry, U.S. Army, was acting superintendent of Sequoia National Park, 1893 and 1880.
How cool! Love to have one of these trees like that. 8 feet, 8 feet. You know what that means. You've seen it on Instagram. It's there.
Are we less than 8 feet?
I don't know. We should be. Are we gonna just go for it?
Yeah, of course.
Tunnel log, hey.
I think we're way lower than 8
Do you want me to get out and film it?
We're taller than the...
Heck yeah, buddy. Well, that was fun. Another reason to ride in a smaller vehicle. Can't believe it, but I convinced Nathan to forego breakfast at the moment so we can get on the trail. Right now, we're the only people here, so why not take advantage of it? We are here. Have to walk all the way through the trail, up and there. We've already walked The height of a 14-story building. Only a 7-story building to go. Tourists might not be here yet, but the employees are, and they are leaf blowing, so we apologize for the background noise that I'm sure you can hear.
I'm disappointed, but I understand. I got a job to do. They do a good job at it. So when we say the largest tree in the world, we mean by volume. So that's like the thickness of it. Redwoods are taller, but sequoias are much thicker. It's 36 feet in diameter, and then even 180 feet up, it's still 13 feet thick. Think of a tree that's 13 feet thick. You probably have never seen one. It's incredible. And just because it's the biggest doesn't mean that it's the oldest. There are sequoias around here that could be upwards of 1,000 or 2,000 years older than this one. This one just happens to be in the prime growing location to get as big as it did. The General Sherman Tree is in the giant forest. There are tons of trails and other massive trees within that forest. Take your time, walk around, look at the whole forest. Eat breakfast first if you're going to do that, because we're starving.
Thank you. It is 8:30 a.m. and we have completed our to-do list at Sequoia National Park. We have gone to do several national parks, seen several different things, and been done by 9 a.m. So you can do it too if you want to.
We have been here for like 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. We got into the park at 5:30.
Yep. I would never tell you to rush through a park and spend as little time there as possible like we sometimes tend to do, but you can see some things in a very short amount of time. We've had a lot of discussion and we wanted to share with you our thoughts between Sequoia National Park and Redwoods National Park.
2 parks with massive trees, and the whole point to go to those parks is the trees. We saw redwoods last summer, didn't get to see as much as we had hoped because of the wildfires. You get really close, that is all ash.
Yeah, it is ash.
We have ash falling on us from the wildfires. Very orange end to that day. So we were talking about our favorites. Which one should you go to if you want to see really big trees? And our consensus was redwoods. Redwoods just seemed taller. They are still just as massive and jaw-dropping to see in person, but the entire forest seemed like redwoods. Every tree was a redwood for the most part, and the whole forest just seemed magical. The differences with Sequoia is that it has the mountain range. Redwoods doesn't have the mountain range. It's much lower on the beach, different kind of feel to it. But the Sequoias here are much more spaced out. You've got the giant forest where you do have a lot of sequoias grouped together, but then most of the park, you don't see a lot of sequoias. And we just seem to like the redwoods better. Go to the redwoods if you had to choose one.
Woohoo! That's a pretty unique sign.
Yep.